Oh man. It's a lonely ride without George. Damn, looks good.
Your report will have to wait, Lieutenant. The Covenant are jamming all comms to command. Cat needs your help running a counter-op. It's good to have you back. Sorry I came alone. Make him proud.
Ooh. Make him proud, George. Gotta make George proud.
Put your wings back on, Lieutenant.
Holy shit,
You're
this guy's from
flying
Halo
the
4.
Falcon.
What's this one look like? Nice.
Here's the situation. Covenant have deployed
A
multiple
lady.
long-range comm jammers in high rises across the city. We can't hear Holland and he can't hear us. We're totally cut off. Trooper squads have been trying to take the jammers out, but the covies are dug in tight. When I confirm
Why fly
target,
this
I
thing?
need you to hit them. Hard.
Am I retarded? Oh.
4 Charlie 27 to command. Request immediate assistance.
Go ahead, 2-7.
Oh.
We're at the Byron
Hello.
Telecom Tower. Got hunters between us and the jammer.
Copy 2-7. Help is on the way. Noble
See that? It had
sending
shields on it.
coordinates for the Violent Tower. Go get those troopers unstuck. Oh, and don't fall in love with my voice. The closer you get to a jammer, the worse our reception is going to get. Cat
Oh,
out.
I'm falling in love with that voice.
Clear.
Get this whole raised altitude on my face. What's that? I think it's whatever. Light them up. Yeah. Killing it. Going to the party, Marines.
Give me a ring.
Say your prayers. In your face. That is your face, right? Plenty more.
Dude, these Marines are crazy. Who's that pilot, dude?
You're gonna go down.
What is going on?
Area secure.
Is it them? There's two more right here.
Choke on it.
Damn.
Tango in sight.
Alright, easy does it. There's a brute still in here. Alright, you guys hold tight. Oh shit, he blows the leg off. Damn. Alright.
Fall back, 4 Delta. Fall back. Defensive position. Go. We'll cover you.
Hunters, of course. Oh, it's four fucking hunters. Oh my god. My game. Damn. Fuck you. I'll blow his arm off. my. Okay. Fuck. Alright, for real. I gotta help these guys out. They're gonna die. It's coming. Come on, bitch. Oh, hello. Shoot his arm off. Fuck. Dude, what's going on with me? Camera in this shit. Yeah, that was good. Pull that arm off. Whoa! Die! Fuck! I don't wanna know what I'm doing. Hey, shoot me. Shoot me. Yeah, hit me. Come on, shoot me. Get away from me! Can't. Bastards, dude. Oh my god. Fuck. I think I got the checkpoint though, right? Nope, no checkpoint. Damn, dude, I don't remember them being so hard. Fucking hate it. Die. Oh my gosh. If I can get that gun, dude. Oh my god. Do it! Marines, help me! I get him? Come on. Come on! I think I got him. Yes, alright. Roll it, brother. Fuck! I can't believe this shit, dude. Keep crushing this. Fucking. Fucking. Calm down, motherfucker. Fucking take his guts out. Yes, alright. Where's this gun on? Fuck, give me this. Gah! Oh, fucking. Yee! Bring this all the way down. This shit keeps breaking on me. Motherfucker. Oh my, get away from me! Oh, ow. Oh my. Fuck. I don't know. I really don't know. This is getting annoying. Fucking right there. I mean, one of you Marines has a freaking, you know, grenade or something. Insane. Of course. Right where I never looked. This. Fucking arm off. Yep. Yes. Fuck you. Get in your ass. No. Fuck yeah, motherfucker. Ooh. Ooh, direct to the checkpoint. Hell yeah. Where you at? Where you at? Did you die? Did you run away? Hello? Oh god, he's downstairs with the Marines. Fuck out of here. Down with your ass. Yeah, what's that? What's up? Come on, baby. Eat shit. Fucking. Oh my god. What do you got? Alright. What do you got? Eh. Damn. Could have helped these guys sooner. I want that.
Oh, is this how this usually works?
Excuse me? Huh? I'm done. I just fucking saved your asses. I don't want to hear it. Oh.
Golf 27 to HQ. We're up on the Jotunheim building. We got Banshees all over us.
Lieutenant, I'm sending you Jotunheim's coordinates. Neutralize those Banshees.
Got a hit.
I can do this all day.
Clear here.
Damn. Drop by. Look at us, see, we're creaming them. They didn't even stand a chance. Can I drop down and pick you up? Get in, my bird. Get in. Oh, I don't think it's possible. Alright. Bye.
Mayday! 7 Delta 19er to all UNSC forces.
What's your status, 1-9er?
We found
Hello.
the jammer, but we're getting hit. Request immediate assistance. Synovius veterans. Oh, we're clear.
I'm coming.
You still with me, 1-9er? 7 Delta 1-9er, did you copy? 6, help those troopers if you can, but get that jammer offline either way.
Where? Which way, Cat? I'm coming, Marines.
Watch for hostile fire.
Clear here.
Oh, nice. You guys just domed them immediately.
Shoot him right in the purple thing.
Yeah, right in the purple thing. Oh, I'm about to fucking doom. I'm about to rip and tear here. My super shotgun. West. Oh, I gotta remember I'm playing on heroic. Ha 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 ha. Fucking elite, of course.
Noble 2 to Noble 6, I'm still getting nothing from those troopers. You may have to take care of this jammer yourself.
Yes, I think I got them both. Yes. There's just this one guy. Oh, fucking decked him. Fuck you, man. Who's shooting that grenade launcher? Brute. Fucking brute. Hold on.
6, I'm accessing building schematics. There's an elevator on the north landing.
Fuck you. What the? Okay. Is this the one with the bugs flying around? I don't remember. Oh, yep, it is. Shit. See if I can get a better gun. Yeah, this will do. Shotgun. Ooh, this is best. Quick escapes too.
You're close to the jammer. Destroy it.
I'm about to have to hightail it out of here. Go. Do not want to fight the bugs.
It's a trap.
Oh,
Get the hell
oh
out of
fuck!
there.
Yeah, the sword. Damn, dude, they were like spec ops. They were coming after me.
Return to your falcon and stand by for instructions.
Did they follow? No, that's just the water.
Command, this is Gunnery Sergeant Buck with the 11th ODST, over.
Copy, Gunnery Sergeant. Go ahead.
Need escort on a classified op. Send someone who knows how to fly type formation.
Ram me, motherfucker.
You're gonna regret this.
I think it's anti-air up here. Nope. Oh, don't want to land on it.
Kill that bitch. How's this feel?
Line up! Come back.
Give me an angle.
Get him, guys, get him.
I'm clear.
Get him, get him.
I owe you one, Spartan. I'll see you in hell.
What'd you say? Oh, what? Did I lose my speed boost? Oh no. No, no, go back.
No, shoot.
I hate that I have to kill you.
Contacts, 2 and 10 o'clock. I'll hold them off so you can get to the other side.
Through that doorway! Move, move, move!
Damn, rifle fire. Fuck, dude. I'm about to come down there and fucking eat y'all. Okay, I don't know why I stood there.
More brutes! Stay
What's
back,
going
you
on?
stinking bastards!
Where'd this brute go? Fuck you. Oh, fuck. I thought that bush would save me. Fuck off. Asshole. I hate when they work together, dude. They're so formidable. Ah, shock. I need a better gun.
I said back off, you son of a bitch!
Fuck you. Oh, fuck. Dude, run away. What are you doing?
Thanks for the assist, Spartan. Jammer's right over here.
Are there any other guns? Kinda thinking I shouldn't use this. Oh,
Ooh, trading up.
Noble 2 to Noble 6.
You guys need better
Showing the
guns.
hospital jammer offline. Nice work. As soon as you can, I need
ooh,
you back in
hello,
the Falcon.
Magnum. I'll hold on to
Noble 2
these.
to Noble 6. You've got incoming tangos.
We've got jumpers!
Okay. Oh my god, get out of here. Oh, fuck.
Got incoming tangos.
We've got jumpers!
Fuck off. Oh my. I'm gonna die.
Look at him move!
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, Marines, I have to abandon you for a moment. Oh, come on.
This is a good spot.
Alright. Come on, guys. Keep going. I don't care what people say, I love the Halo 2 pistol. It's just so satisfying. Jeez. Maybe not in this case. Fucking hate that carbine. I can't ADS when I'm shot by it. Fuck, man. I should probably switch, yeah.
We're good here, sir. You can head back to your
Oh,
bird.
this will be better. That's so satisfying. Let me just get another click.
Noble 2 to Noble Leader. All jammers are down.
Solid copy, Noble 2. New orders. All personnel are to be evacuated from Oni HQ. Say confirm.
Confirm Oni Tower evacuation.
Noble 2! Noble 2, sit rep!
Copies are hitting the HQ in force. They must have zeroed my signal.
Get that evac started!
Roger that. Noble 6, get over here and cover our evac Pelicans. I need you overhead now.
Okay.
Command, this is Whiskey I've got my eyes on 6 long-range shade turrets in the vicinity of the Oni Tower, making life pretty tough on our evac birds.
Trophy with Q35. Noble 6, take out those
Just
heavy
dropping them.
Keep firing, lady!
Another shade turret down. Whiskey 3-6, proceed with evac.
I copy, Command. Thanks.
Noble 6, lose those other shade turrets so Pelicans can get out of there. Third turret is down.
I could have heard on that one.
That's the fourth
Flying
shade.
the bird is easy, but God, when you're on ground fighting them, it's different.
5 down, 1 to go. Whiskey 3-5,
Motherfucker.
clear to proceed with evac.
Copy, Command. Much obliged.
Noble 6, you've got to neutralize the remaining shades
I
for our
got
evac
it.
birds.
Start treating you like tequila.
Whiskey 3-7, you may proceed with evac.
Solid copy, Command. Appreciate the help.
Noble 6, you are one steely-eyed Spartan. I'm extending the landing pad now. Come home, Lieutenant.
Isn't this it? Oh, it's over there.
Look at this place. Used to be the crown jewel. Not anymore. Hey, you made it.
It's a regular family reunion. Keep him. He gave him to you. I'll honor him my own way.
George always said he would never leave Reach.
The big man was sentimental.
He gave his life thinking he'd just saved the planet. We should all be so lucky.
Sir, that true about Gauntlet Red and Echo teams assigned to civilian evac ops?
Those are senior-level communiques.
I hear what I hear. Point is, why put Spartans on defensive deployments?
I need that link to SATCOM, Cat.
Chasing it. But this console's got more shrapnel in it than transceivers. You didn't answer my question.
You want to know if we're losing?
I know we're losing. I want to know if we've lost. Colonel Holland, hailing us. What's he doing on an open channel?
Let's hear it.
In the southwest quadrant of the city. Over. Sierra 259. If you are receiving, I am authorizing override of radio security protocols to link with this channel.
How long for a secure link?
I can't guarantee secure anymore.
Could Covenant trace it to us?
I could.
Noble Leader, this is a priority 1 hail. If you are receiving, acknowledge immediately.
Damn.
Keep it brief.
Carter here. Yes, sir.
We got movement. Multiple Covenant vehicles vacating the area. And they're in a hurry.
How often you see Covenant retreat for no reason?
Radiation flare. Big. 40 million root guns.
Just lost Holland. What's going on?
Atomic excitement scrambled the signal. 90 million now.
Source?
Airborne. Close.
How close?
That close!
Oh, damn. Look how dramatic it was.
First glassing? Me too. Don't worry, I'm on it.
Damn.
Our best option is a fallout bunker on sub-level 2. 96 meters northeast. We get orders from Holland, sir?
We're being redeployed to Sword Base.
Sword? Covenant own it now!
Which is why they want us for a torch and burn op. Keep Dr. Halsey's excavation data from falling into enemy hands.
If it hasn't already.
Maybe, but according to Holland, the Covenant are still hunting for something.
Where does he get off calling a demolition a priority 1?
Come on, get in!
Let's go! Come on!
Close the doors! Faster!
Damn.